Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the camera not working on OmeTV. If your camera isn't showing or OmeTV can't access it, follow these simple steps. First, open your phone's settings. Now use the search bar and search for OmeTV. Tap on OmeTV, then select Permissions. Here, find the camera permission and make sure it's set to Allow. If you also see a microphone permission, you can allow that as well if you want to use voice chat. After allowing the permission, open OmeTV again and check if the camera is working. If the camera is still not working, the next thing you can try is clearing the OmeTV cache. Go back to Settings and search for Apps. Open the app settings and search for OmeTV. Tap on OmeTV, then select Storage or Storage and Cache, depending on your Android phone. Now tap on Clear Cache. Once the cache is cleared, open OmeTV again and check the camera. If it still doesn't work, try restarting your phone and opening OmeTV again. That's it. These are the simple steps you can try to fix the camera not working on OmeTV. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.